Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, send me nice comments. Most of all, share and subscribe. So we got a radio that works, but the screen is all busted inside there. I'm pretty sure you can see it. And a radio we can't get to unlock because I personally could reprogram this, but for some reason I can't get this one to program. So what I'm going to do, because this radio works, is switch the screen over. I'm going to show you how to do that. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can too, and you can't break what's already broken. So along the side of here are 4 Phillips screws, and then on both sides I've already removed them. And then there's these tabs. We're going to push up these tabs. Then I'm going to give Pat the phone, and she's going to record me changing it. All right, so we're going to take these little plastic clips, when I find where I put my flathead, and we're just going to pop them up out of there, and hopefully we should be able to get the screen off. I'm pretty certain that you can change this. I did not do this. I stuck it in the back there. I didn't do this prior to making the video, but I feel fairly confident that we should be able to do this. So we're gonna run that screwdriver down there, I think. Give it a little, I put it in there and I gave it a little twist like that. I didn't have to force it in there. And then it popped that off of there. And then the screen pops off and it plugs into them right there. We'll try the same thing on this other one. Take out the 4 screws. You can shut it off. So we're gonna go ahead and snap our screen back in place. Put our 4 screws in. Then we'll put the 4 screws back in. Then we'll take you out to the car and show you us installing it, see if it works. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug the radio back in, and then we'll reinstall it properly once we just ensure that it actually functions like it should. We got chime on our key, so I know it's actually working this time, whereas before it didn't. Got that. Bam! Got her all fixed up. Make sure we got the stereo coming out. We do. We're all good. If this video was helpful, most of all, subscribe and share my videos. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can too. You can't break what's already broken. This is Clay. Have a great day.